Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a VB.NET computer shutdown program using Webrequest to actually confirm or cancel the shutdown process, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to start typing some stuff. We're going to import Microsoft Windows 32. And we're going to import system.threading. Okay, we don't really need the threading because it's only one thing we use the threading thing for. So, you know, you can, if you don't want to use it, just leave it out. It doesn't really matter. We're going to make two booleans. Oop. Okay, so we want to go into the load of the application and we want to type in timer1.start. Now I haven't actually made the timer1 yet, so just bear with me. Me.hide me.visible equals false. Run at start. Actually, I'm going to do this first. We're going to get a timer. Let's find a timer. Okay, here we go. Okay, inside the timer, what you want to type is dim request as system.net .http web request equals system.net .http web request .create. Now what you're going to type here is the link of a website that contains a piece of text that will basically initialize a shutdown, or it doesn't. So in this case I'm going to be using pastebin. You can edit text values and stuff. So let's just go to pastebin. Right, so what you want to do is make a paste. Now you're going to just put something like shutdown equals false. Alright, so normally I would go to raw, but some reason this is a bit of a dodgy link, so I'll just get this link right here, because what we're going to do is check if the code of the website, the HTML, sorry, if it contains this, and if it does, then we do something on the computer. So let's go back to here, and we're going to put this in here. I'm going to dim response as system.net .http web response equals request .get response. Whoops. Sub's gone away. Dim read as system.io .stream reader equals new system.io whoops stream reader. response dot get response. Oh, this is annoying. Stream. And I'm just gonna close the end. Then we're gonna make another dim. We're gonna go dim execute shutdown as string equals reader dot read to end. Let's put an E there. Alright. So once you got that, you want to go and make an if statement. Now if it contains shutdown equals true, and also the boolean is if the boolean is not, if it's not be shutdown, then we can do a process. So let's type in if execute shutdown dot contains. Ooh, my spelling's gone dodgy today. Shutdown equals true, then actually you need to get rid of the spaces, and also be shutting down, or just shut down in this case. Then whoops, you've got to put the not so we flip the boolean. Shutdown equals true, cancel equals false, and we're going to start a process which is shutdown, whoops, and we're going to go minus s, we're going to put that in quotations as well, minus t, and we're going to put 500 just to begin with. When you're actually going to do it for real, you want to change that to 0, because you know it's even better. But you know, if you're trying to debug it to see if it works, you don't want it to shut your computer down. So just put it at 500, and then you can cancel it by going to command and type in shutdown minus a. I think that's the one. Oh, I'm going to put an else. Else if execute shutdown dot contains shutdown dot cancel, and also not cancel, then cancel equals true, be shut down equals false. Basically what this does is stop from, because it's in a timer, we don't want it to go off, you know, keep looping the same thing. So once it's done it once, it will flip the boolean and stop it from doing it again until if you change the code on pastebin. So and this way we're going to cancel the actual thingy. We're going to go type process.start, and we're going to put cmd.exe. Now basically that just opens up command prompt, but we want to send two values, which is shutdown minus a and enter. So we're just going to do that in a separate timer, because it's going to get a bit messy if we don't. So let's go to timer. Okay. Okay, in here we're going to type shutdown, whoops, I don't know why I put that, send keys dot send, gone capitalized, and we're going to send shutdown -a, and send keys dot send, and for key press you put these the braces, and enter is the one for enter or return. Then we're going to thread dot sleep 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. Then we're going to dim item process, and we're going to have it as an array, which is when you put the two empty brackets, as process, which is a list of like all the processes, sorry, in the task manager, or just running really, but it's going to be using the way that task manager works. So it's a good example just to show you or tell you. And I'm just going to put processes, or process, whoops.